5 Best Dehumidifiers. The item number 5 is Invitop T8 Electric Mini Home Dehumidifier. Portable design, ultra mini body, it is easy to be moved from room to room. Low power consumption, works at only 23 watts, energy efficient ultra quiet design. When it works, you can enjoy your sleeping or working without disturbing auto off and LED indicator. When the tank is full, the yellow LED will on and the unit will auto off. The item number 4 is DMWD Mini Dehumidifier, Household Moisture. Brand name DMWD. Fan speed: capacity, pints, 24 hours, 0.24 liters. Function: removable water tank, automatic defrost, automatic bucket full shut off, bucket full indicator light. Water tank capacity, 1 liter. The item number 3 is 25W Mini Ultra Quiet Home Dehumidifier. Brand name FGHGF. Water tank capacity, 1.1 to 2.5 liters. Application: 1120 M2 power, W, greater than 1000 watts. Function: bucket full indicator light, removable water tank, automatic bucket full shut off, washable air filter. The item number 2 is GXZ 500ml Mini Dehumidifier. Certification: Row HS. Water tank capacity, 1 liter. Application: 1120 M2 working temperature range other. Model number GXZ-CM 800 Mini Dehumidifier for home. Coverage area, square feet, 1120. Power, W, 25W. The item number 1 is Invitop T8 700ml Home Air Dehumidifier. This semiconductor dehumidifier comes with features of small size, lightweight and quiet design. It's perfect for small confined spaces such as wardrobe, cabinet, electrical product case, bedroom, etc. It is a fabulous household appliance for preventing your goods to be damaged by damp, mildew and excess moisture. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.